are an underestimated accessory for many, but you have to admit that it's very powerful. Stay with us to see how we use different types of scarves on different occasions.
Welcome to Comfy Boost, a one-step shop for your weekly dose of wellness, comfort and beauty, tips and tricks and challenges to apply in your busy schedules. As we already mentioned in our previous video when we were showing different ways how to change your look without breaking the bank, scarves are a great accessory, so we decided to give a spotlight to them.
Since childhood, we were always taught that when autumn is coming, we have to take out our scarves and put them on in order to feel warm and also avoid getting sick. But scarves are not only great and warming piece of clothing, they are also amazing accessory, and most of us already have some scarves in our closets, so we can just take them out and style them. So based on the fabric, the color and the shape of your scarf, you can actually add some extra volume or extra color to your outfit, or just make the overall look more sophisticated. If you are up for knots, then you can also make your outfit feel more designed and also give some extra texture to the overall look. And let's not forget, you can also add your smaller scarves or silk scarves to your bags, so that your black bag would also get some fresh look in a few seconds.
Or you can make an additional piece of clothing out of it. So, without further ado, let's get started.
With big scarves, it's pretty easy. They give you so much texture that you don't really need to combine them with other accessories. If you are wearing different print or texture outfits, stick to simple design scarves. Whereas if you have simple outfits, you can have scarves with different texture and prints. Here's an example of wearing a big scarf to create a more sporty look. Best to combine with jeans, simple sweater, and a checkered big scarf. When it gets colder outside, your leather jacket and the beanie will complement this look perfectly. And for a more feminine look, you can wear your scarf with a belt or tie it neatly together with a blazer or even a dress or skirt.
And of course, match them with all your winter jackets and coats for extra styling and warmth. With lighter scarves, you have even more possibilities because it's easier to style them and combine with different outfits. You can experiment with different textures, colors and combinations. Here you can see different knots. These usually will look better with feminine outfits, therefore better to combine with blazers, blouses and skinny jumpers. While these circular scarves will do well also with other looks like more freestyle and artistic and so on. Apart from already shown knots, these scarves can also be styled giving a feeling of different layers. You can even have several scarves together to have a different look. This gives extra texture and makes you look more interesting.
And here comes the most amazing part. You can even style your bigger scarves to create a completely different piece of clothing. Wear something simple underneath and tie your scarf as a jumper, or using the help of a belt, you can tie it also nicely like this, making ponchos or just imitating cardigans. With these styles, you can have unique textures and jumpers that no one else will have, as these will be uniquely created by yourself.
These little scarves are like a cherry on top for a more sophisticated and feminine look. You can tie these little scarves around your neck, forming a bow to give your regular blouse extra texture, color and make it more interesting. For a different occasion, you can tie these scarves to look like a men's tie. Then with a pantsuit, it will give you regular business outfit and interesting accessory. You can also tie these scarves like this, combining with your regular blazer or a white shirt. Your look will be more complete and the overall look already give a more luxurious feel. And finally, to have a little French touch, you can tie it very closely to your neck like this.
As mentioned before, you can use these scarves to also style your bag. You can either tie it on one side of the bag handle like this, or you can also tie it around the handle like this. Or even you can try to make a braid with both of the handles. And the last one, you can also tie it around the longer handle like this.
Another completely amazing thing that you can do with your scarves is to use them as an accessory in your hair. You can tie them in your braids in these ways. You can also tie them around your ponytails or buns, simply tying or having a bow. You can use scarves as a headband. Here are different looks with the same scarf. And finally, you can also tie your scarf on your head as a hat or as an accessory under your hat. With these different ways, you will give your look more femininity, freshness, and make your overall outfit look more complete and nicer.
And our last tip for today, you can use these smaller scarves in anywhere, any place that you can think of, as it will show your unique personality. You can tie them around your leg like this. You can also tie your scarf around your arm instead of a wristband. You can use it as a belt or as an accessory to your pants. And you can also tie it around your waist like this.
These were our ideas of wearing different scarves. If you like our ideas, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below which was your favorite scarf wearing option. And if you have a scarf that you don't know what to combine it with, send us a picture and we will help you out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more lifestyle and beauty tips and tricks. See you next week. Bye!